Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Tiptop Plumbing and Heating, and today I'm going to be showing you how to locate your main water shutoff in your home. Come with me. Your main water shutoff valve is more than likely located in your mechanical room. Come with me. When you get into your mechanical room, you're going to be looking for a water line coming up through the floor, and where you find that line, you'll also find the water meter. And just below that will be your main water shutoff. Now, if you're lucky, you'll have a ball valve like this one. The ball valve is typically the easiest to operate and the most reliable. Let me show you how to use it. As you can see, the handle on this ball valve is in line with the water line. In order to turn it off, we're going to turn it 90 degrees clockwise so that it is perpendicular with the pipe. To turn the water back on, you're going to turn the valve handle counterclockwise so that it is back in line with the pipe. Now, the other type of valve that you might have is the multi-turn valve. And that valve will typically have a round handle, be red, blue, or silver in color. The multi-turn valve requires you to rotate the handle multiple times clockwise to reach the closed position. Once you're ready to turn the water back on, rotate it counterclockwise multiple times until it's fully open. At that point, turn it clockwise a quarter of a turn so that it does not seize in the open position. Speaking of seized, if you are at any point unable to turn the handle of the valve leaks when you operate it, or when the valve has been turned to the off position, but it does not shut the water off 100%, the valve should be replaced. I hope that you have found the video informative and useful. Thank you for choosing Tiptop Plumbing and Heating. Bye for now.